Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how I managed to play classic retro games on my iPhone using an app called Ether SX2. Now, you might have heard about this app before and thought it's only for Android. But guess what? I'm going to show you how to get it on any iPhone. And yes, it works on Android too. Just take a look at my phone and you'll see it running smoothly. With this app, you can enjoy a ton of retro games, including PlayStation classics and more. If you want to get this app on your device, stick around. I'll guide you through the whole process step by step. It's super easy, and you won't need any special skills. Alright, if you're ready, let's jump into the tutorial and get started. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called pluginelite.com. Plugin Elite is a website where you can find many apps with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Ether SX2 and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.